still from Etchel Vinyl here. So today's video we're going to do an unboxing. I got these in the mail from Synpress. I'm hoping I'm pronouncing that correctly. This is a mobile heat press and this is a mug press. So we're going to unbox them, test them out, see how it goes. Okay, I'm going to open the heat press first. Now let's open the mug press. Alright, so we've got our heat press and our mug press. And now these two items go hand in hand. You can't use the mug press without the heat press. It comes with this attachment cord that you attach to the heat press, and this is what runs it, so they go together. The heat press comes with a base, it comes with a silicone mat, comes with a Teflon sheet, and then it also comes with a manual book that shows you how to use it. Looks pretty easy. And so I have this white shirt. I'm going to make something for my daughter. I have this beautiful glitter camo vinyl. It's very shiny. This was a gift from Stardust Co. So a little shout out to them. I love their vinyl. It's really good stuff. I'll link it below. So let's make a shirt. Successful shirt and mug. I'm so excited. I love this product. I do not brag about stuff unless I've tested it, used it myself, and genuinely like it, and I approve this product. I've never done any kind of mug press or anything before, and it was so easy. The directions that come with it were super user friendly, and I got to use HTV on a mug which is awesome. Like, it is on there. This is not coming off. And I do not have a sub printer or anything to do transfers like that. So I'm really excited that I can use HDD that I already have on hand. And this thing is so handy that it's portable. I have a regular heat press. It's big, bulky, heavy, it doesn't move. This is really neat because you can move it around. You can take it, you know, if you want to work in the kitchen or if you have a craft room that you want to work in. It's really cool that it's portable. And the shirt looks awesome. The vinyl is really on there. I'm really impressed. I wasn't sure about the pressure and it did well. Like, it is on there. So I'm going to wash it, see how it holds up in the wash. I'll let you guys know down in the description below after I wash it. But I don't see it having any problems. I'm so excited. So I'll put some links below of where to get this product. Go check them out. I highly recommend. And thank you so much for watching. Just make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any new videos. Thanks.